To get started with using Google Analytics filters, you first need to understand what they are and why they are important. Google Analytics filters allow you to modify and narrow down the data that appears in your reports, helping you to focus on specific information and exclude irrelevant data. The first step is to access the Filters section in your Google Analytics account. To do this, navigate to the Admin section and click on the view for which you want to apply the filter. Then click on Filters and select New. There are two main types of filters in Google Analytics: predefined and custom. Predefined filters are pre-built and allow you to easily filter out common types of traffic, such as internal traffic or spam referrals. Custom filters, on the other hand, allow you to create your own filters based on specific criteria, such as IP address or hostname. When creating a custom filter, you need to specify the type of filter you want to apply, such as include or exclude, and the field you want to filter on, such as country or browser. You also need to specify the pattern that you want to match, such as a specific keyword or IP address. One common use case for filters is to exclude internal traffic from your reports. To do this, you can create a custom filter that excludes traffic from your company's IP address. This will help you to get a more accurate picture of your website's external traffic. Another use case is to filter out spam referrals, which can distort your traffic numbers and make it difficult to get an accurate picture of your website's performance. To do this, you can create a custom filter that excludes traffic from known spam referral sites. Best practices for using Google Analytics filters include testing your filters before applying them to your live data, and regularly reviewing your filters to ensure they are still relevant and effective. It is also a good idea to use filters in combination with other Google Analytics features, such as segments and goals, to get a more complete picture of your website's performance. In conclusion, Google Analytics filters are a powerful tool for modifying and narrowing down your data. By understanding how to use them effectively, you can get a more accurate picture of your website's performance and make better data-driven decisions.